Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and thank you so much for taking time out on this important day in Turtlemint's life. The company reps on the dais, led by Dhiren and Anand, have already been introduced. But what I would like to add is they're both first-generation entrepreneurs and committed entrepreneurs who believe in the story that they have built. There are many things that are very exciting about Turtlemint, and those that I would like to highlight are that it's a tech-enabled insurance distribution platform that connects customers, advisors, and insurers, and they have pioneered and built the largest point-to-sale person network in India. They have really penetrated into India and established a significant presence in what is called B30 plus markets, which is growing at 60% faster than the top 30 markets in the country. They have partnered with 45 insurer partners, which represent 75% of all life and general insurers in India. And they built a proprietary technology platform and have expanded their offerings to include mutual funds, loans, and deposit products. We at ISEC feel extremely privileged to have closely worked with them and witnessed the high growth journey of Turtlemint. If I'm to now turn to the details of the IPO, it consists of a fresh issue aggregating to 660 crores and an offer for sale of 221 crores at the top end of the price band. The price band is rupees 144 to 152 per equity share of face value 1. The anchor day will be on Thursday, June 18th, and the offer opens on Friday, June 19th and closes on June 23rd. With that, I would request Dhiren to walk you through the company presentation. Thank you.
Hi. Good morning, everyone. Thank you for coming here. Pleasure being here. It's a significant milestone for us at Turtlemint, having started this journey almost 11 years back from a small coffee shop, I would say, and then it's been a great journey reaching this stage. I am Dhirendra Mayavanshi. I'm originally from Mumbai, grew up here in Mumbai at Andheri, and then have been part of the insurance ecosystem for the last 20 plus years. I'll take you through the initial part of the business, then Anand, then Badri will follow up for the business. But before I get into that, I heard someone ask Turtlemint ka matlab kya hai, what is Turtlemint? So I'll tell you a brief story here. Sir asked, the turtle stands for the protection, the shell protects you, and mint stands for money. And Turtlemint is protection of your money, and that's the meaning that we have. But there is also an interesting story. When we were starting the business, we needed to take a domain, and any domain that had a word policy or insurance was extremely expensive. And so we were looking for a free domain, and then we sort of thought to become more creative, and that's how Turtlemint came about. It was a creative answer to what we wanted to do, but now it's become a cherished name, cherished brand for us at Turtlemint. So I'll briefly describe in terms of what is our consumer thesis, tell you a little bit about the history of the company, and then how the business has evolved. When you think of insurance as a product, one of the key point here is that nobody thinks about insurance. It doesn't come naturally to people. So no one wakes up thinking that an adverse event is going to occur in their life, and hence a risk mitigation plan by way of buying an insurance policy does not come naturally to anyone. The intent to purchase a policy, that intent is the single most valuable activity in the entire insurance distribution value chain. And capturing that intent requires some kind of an external event or somebody who helps the person know that you need to buy an insurance policy. And that intent creation is usually done by insurance experts and advisors. That is why about 95% of the insurance distribution in India happens through some form of expert validation. The product, once the intent is created, also requires some bit of expertise, because the moment of truth is not the purchase of insurance policy, but the moment of truth is the claim. And hence, most policyholders feel comfortable buying an insurance policy through an expert